guys, we're back today. Before I get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications, ding dong, and make sure to hit the thumbs up when you like the video. No, I know I haven't posted in a while, it's just because I've been very busy with horseback riding and horse shows and piano and stuff like that. If you guys didn't know, I do horseback riding. I have a horse necklace on right now, and I just went to Five Below and got some stuff, and this is the first one that I wanted to show because I did start my other video, but I had to go do something, so I ended the video real fast, and I had already picked out this one to show first, so we're going to just show this one. And it's a original Squishmallow Graceland. See, for proof that if you're going to see, I just crumbled it up. And I have not opened any of this, like, look, like this. I have not opened any of it. So yeah, I got this Squishmallow Graceland, and it's a cute little Arctic or like white fox. I don't know what to call them. I don't know much about foxes. So here, right, we got Bubble Burst, Ombre Octagon, Popping Fidget Fun. It's a hard shell poppet with a thing on it. It's really cool. I had to get it. I wouldn't really say this is ombre, honestly. I kind of feel like I got scammed because this is honestly not ombre. You guys tell me, what do you think? Do you think this is ombre? Because it says ombre, but I don't think it is. Whatever, still love it. Poppets are amazing. I have a trash pile. Trash. We're gonna do this one. It's a burst bubble spinner. Okay. Series 5. Wow. Oh, a lot of series of these things. Get this thing open. I got it. Wait. I could have just been doing this the whole time. There's a thing in the middle that you can get out. Yeah, you can just rip it. That makes it a lot easier. There we go. So nice fidget spinner. Really nice. Hear the pops. Ooh, it is a bit hard, but loud pops in a really pretty color. So yeah, so nice. Alright, we're gonna do these mochis next. And also, my birthday is actually today, so woohoo! Happy birthday to me. I had my birthday party. Yesterday was a sleepover, so everybody left at 10 today. I will also be doing maybe a haul later about what I got for my birthday. I'll tell you guys, I got a Squishmallow for my birthday. I got a Remarkable, which I was really happy about. If you guys don't know what those are, I will do a video talking about them. They're really cool. That flew out, literally. It flew out. And also today, I was saying something about like a rotisserie chicken or something. Yeah, it was, I forgot. Let's open these. So anyway, I also got like a Squishmallow. I got some fidgets from Five Below actually, and yeah, I actually got one of these not Squishmallow, one of these things, these mochi things, these mochi packets. Oh my gosh, it's another axolotl. I was about to say, if I get another axolotl, I'm gonna be so bad. So happy. I got an axolotl. I am obsessed with the axolotls and horses right now. Those are the two animals I really want. An axolotl and a horse. And I got an axolotl. I really want an axolotl Squishmallow too. I already got an axolotl mochi, but we can have two best friends. So best friends forever mochis. Ooh, I didn't get this one. I had this one a long time ago. I traded it. It's like a yellow bear. cross on its head. You guys might have it. It's not that rare of a one, so most people when they get them, they have them. They also have this big bucket, literally a bucket of them, but I already have enough mochis that I didn't want to get a hippo. A hippo. Why do I need a hippo? I don't know. I don't like the hippo. The hippo's the only disappointing thing. If this one is another hippo, I will scream. Oh, it's a fat bunny. It's a fat little bunny. Yeah. I got 2 pinks, 1 blue, 1 yellow. Alright, all those things. Trash in the trash pile. Trash in the trash pile. Alright. Is there any more things that are not slime? Oh wait, there's one more mochi that I did not open up. That was fallen in the bag. And oh, it's a little unicorn, I think. It's cute. Where the heck did the mochi? Oh, I forgot that they were in this capsule. 1 white mochi too. Alright, there. Alright, I'm gonna take out all the slime because I'm doing the slime off. Oh, guys, alright, I got this banana popper. Ow, ow, guys, I'm literally dying over here. Guys, help me. Ow, that hurt. That actually pinched me. Whatever, I've got that off. I can have this on. This can help me practice with my bit. Not my bit, my halter putting on-ing. What the heck? How the heck do I get this thing back on? Vroom, 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 vroom. Sorry, I made up that song with my friends. My sleepover. It's like vroom, 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 vroom. It was so funny, but yeah. We were singing it on my swing, but it's a banana popper. It's like a banana. It's a banana. Ow! Sorry if my nails look black. I was just eating cherries. I promise you guys, I don't have black nails. My nails are. I was just eating cherries, but I have banana pulpa. I've never actually heard of one of these other stuff. I was super happy when I found out that it existed. Let's do. I have found them. Slime lickers. I have found strawberry and strawberry. These were the last 2 left. There were 10 boxes of them, but they were all empty. There's only 2 left in 1 box. So yeah, I'm going to say these. These things are literally magical. So yes, slime lickers I got. I got slime lickers. If I'm gonna do this ball, I got one of these little squeezy balls. I got one of these before, but instead of getting it like this, it was a what's it called? What's it called? It was a Orbeez one. I really wish I would have honestly got the Orbeez one because this one's a bit hard to squish and I wish it was colored. But yeah, look. It's like a little squishy mesh ball. So yep, I got a squishy mesh ball. It's really cool. And I got these stickies, mini squish ball. They're kind of like globbles, but not. So yeah. Honestly, I don't know how to open these things. How the heck was I supposed to open these? Oh, there's tape. There we go, I got it off there. They may come out. I just want the balls to come out. Just balls! Just the balls! These are like mini Neatos! They're like globbles and Neatos mixed together! Oh gosh, these things are cool. I honestly need more of these, honestly. If I were to go back there, I would definitely get these again. They're so cool, they're little globbles, look. They're actually sticky. Do they stick? Oh, they stick. Let's see if they stick to a wall. Let me see if they stick to this wall. Yeah, they stick together and they're really squishy. They stick to your hair, but they don't honestly stick to walls. That's the only disappointing thing about them. But besides it, I'm obsessed. I need more of these. Like, I need a bathtub full of these things. Literally, a bathtub full of these things. Like, these are amazing. Alright. Time for slime. So I'm going to go ahead and take this trash and put it in this bag. So, I'm going to have this little trash. There we go. Okay. All the trash is cleaned up. We have 3 slimes. I'm going to open up this fluff slimes. Slimy butter fluff. That's what it's called. Slimy butter fluff. Never heard a thing about it. But we're going to try it. How the heck? How do you open this thing? There we go. It's in a bag. Is it like wet? Mommy! Come here, I need scissors! I'm just gonna mush this. I'm gonna mush this together because it looks like a bit like honestly wet. Oh, never mind! Oh, it's not. Oh, okay. I'm scared to open this. This stuff smells like carbon dioxide. Don't wet my hands away. My hands away. My hands away. My hands away. My hands are. My hands are wet. My hands are wet. My hands wet. My hands wet. Mommy, can I have a napkin? This is actually like a good slime. Like, I'm so glad I got it. Like, guys. And by the way, you guys might not be seeing this on my birthday, but today is Sunday, December 12th, 2021, and it's my birthday. I'm 9 years old, yeah. I'm 9 years old. I'm 9 years old. Oh, okay, I need to stop singing. When I go back to school, I'll be 9, 9, 8. I'm not 8. Get out of my face, 8. No, 8. I want to stay. You're not a rotisserie chicken, so leave. Do, 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 do. I'm obsessed with this slime. I don't know why. I play with it enough. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Mommy! Please, I need it. A towel, a paper towel. Paper towel. Please. Please, it's my birthday.
What do you need?
Paper towel.
You made me get up.
It's my birthday, come on. It's my birthday, come on. It's my birthday, come on. It's gonna be my birthday month, 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 my birthday month. Making a YouTube video. This thing was very oily. But it's good, but it's like oily. It's like baby oil, honestly. It gave our floor a nice shine. Yeah, we'll play with this slime in a second. It's just a bit oily, and I didn't think that it was going to be oily, honestly. How was I supposed to know it was going to be oily? That's my question. How was me, supposed to know that it was going to be oily? Alrighty. I'm scared for the next slimes, but it's fine. Alright. We're going to open up this Dippin' Dots. Dippin' Dots. It's Dippin' Dots ice cream slime. Scented slime. Cotton candy scented. Now edible. And it has a big eat. It has a big eat cross out sign on it, like you know, like they have like they say the word and then they put like a cross over it. That's what it says, like a line over it. Like no. There's banana split, cotton candy, cookies and cream, rainbow ice. Whenever I normally get Dippin' Dots, Dot and Dips. Normally, whenever I get it, I normally get cotton candy. That's why I got the cotton candy one, because I like it. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go open this. My mom struggled with it too, but we got it. And when you guys are watching this, and if you guys, not when you guys are watching this, if you guys are still at this point right now, I would go ahead and leave a like and subscribe for more videos. This one is honestly not my favorite. I like it, but it's kind of jiggly, honestly, and it's like wet, kind of. It's like a stretchy, wet slime, jiggly slime, like. But it's getting kind of like weird, honestly. So I'm gonna put it back because my hands are starting to get wet. Guys, that's just weird. Ugh. In a second, I'm gonna go eat something off camera. So that means we have one more left. We have the slime pack. Not for children under 3 years old. I don't think I'm 3. I think that I'm 7 years older than 3. That'll be good. Definitely. The heck? Why the heck is it not opening? Orange first, I guess. Actually, no. Yeah, we'll do orange. Oh gosh, how the heck do I open this? My hands are so wet. There we go, I got it. Is this normal? Is it? It's kind of like, honestly, it's putty. Honestly, I'm not saying like it's bad. It looks like caviar. Guys, why does this look like caviar? This looks like caviar. Literally. If you know what that is, it's fish eggs. Doesn't it look like caviar? It has like stuff inside of it, which is weird. Alright, whatever. Let's take it out of the container, I guess. Why is it sticking to the container so much, but not my fingers? It's like not sticking to my fingers at all. Is it like, do I have like sort of power or something? I'm the magic, no slime sticking power. I know it's not true. There's no such thing as a slime sticking power. But it looks like it's caviar. It's getting me worried. Wait, watch this. I'm gonna try to make a bubble and listen to the crack. So it's like this. Guys. You know that one? This one. Oh, it's the same thing with blue caviar. Okay, gotta get the top off like I did last time. I got the top slime off because I had like the most caviar type stuff. Why am I calling it caviar? And why is this one all of a sudden so sticky? This one is all of a sudden so sticky. Ew! I don't like this. I don't like these, honestly. I like the others. There's like, why are these Why did all these slimes that I got, they're like cursed. All the slimes I got are literally cursed. Literally, the caviar is freaking me out. Alright guys, I think they're really only like the best thing that I got, like honestly. All of it. Yeah. So I'm gonna go over with what I got. Squishmallows, 2 slime lookers. For some reason one taller than the other, whatever. And then squishy, fidget spinner pop it. This pop it. Banana popper. These squishies. Mochis in here. Slime, pink fluff slime that was oily. Cotton candy, Dippin' Dot slime. And that slime. And yep. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.